at the natural science sector of Unesco. We are helping the member states to build resilient societies from the natural hazards such as flood, drought, tsunami, earthquake, and so on. We have 8 different thematic areas for interventions for disaster risk reduction. And one of the most important one is to use science, technology, and innovation. 3D printer was used for the civil engineering class. I also took a civil engineering class when I was in a college student. We always need to rely on the textbook. So there are many figures, there are many formulas, but it was always on the 2D. So sometimes it was very difficult for me to understand in an actual way, in a 3D way, how to construct a safer building. That's why we decided to use this 3D printer, which is very cheap, to make like a small bricks, etc. So that we use these bricks to show the engineering students how to construct the safer construction. Talking about disaster risk reduction, there are mainly 2 things. One is for prevention, the other one is for response. So prevention is how to construct a safer building or make an early warning system, and for response is to rescue people, provide food and shelters and so on. There is an estimation that if you spend $1 for prevention, you can avoid $7 of avoidable losses. So UNESCO is trying to work more on the preventions. We wanted to show the young students what is the best way to construct with the bricks. Many countries actually in the global south, they construct their own houses using a brick. And I think there is always the same damage. So I think it could be duplicated to other countries which are using the same construction method.